Hey, let's go.
Who we playing for?
Calvary Baptist.
You know who he's playing for. Come on. You know who he's playing for. Week 2, let's go. Woo!
Let's get it, boys.
What the hell?
That's why I fuck didn't die for that one. Chill.
What was your pregame meal? So everyone else ate Hawaiian barbecue, but I had ribeye fajitas. It was really good.
Dude, what happened to your Instagram?
Bro, okay, so like I was just trying to help out Macy's older sister, but then I didn't know her account got hacked too. So put 2 and 2 together, I'm done. 400 followers.
Why we talking about the ladies we're in a football game, dude? Where's your focus to be at?
Bro, my focus is on the field and in my heart, bro.
Yo, Tom, why you hugging Sam when you betrayed him?
I know, why you cheated on me, bro.
Pay for another guy.
Now it's $50 for you.
Hey, so I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna go.
What the?
We're gonna go up by 20 in the first quarter, then calm 50.
Hey, stay home.
We'll calm it down. 60-point win.
Stay home.
2-0.
That's a lot of 60 points.
I feel that.
Jinx it. Gotta lock in for the vid.
And how old?
Hey, we're gonna go straight into defensive individual right here. Let's go, get a break, be loud, be loud.
Hey, defense on 3. 1, 2, 3. Defense!
Be loud over here. There you go.
Right. 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 Good.
The goal line, that's just freaking yard line.
Yeah. Let's go. First time wearing these white jerseys.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Number 4 for your Vista Meridian Eagle. Second one on 8. And up number 3, Wyatt Burke. Rookie ball was on the sideline. Wyatt Burke. The third. He's running over the ball. That's for a big game.
That's like a thing he's in the NBA, bro.
Hand off to number 7, Dominic Neal. He's in. Hold on the play.
You got the ball.
Oh, whoever was the first one to get there. That looks like it's a Cougar ball. Shoots to number 11, Chris Vaccarella.
Touchdown!
Touchdown, Cougars. Hold on the play. Goes off number 1, he got blockers. That's complete to number 1, Dennis McCall. Breaking a few tackles. And he's out. And he's going for 6. Touchdown, Cougars. Hand off to number 3. Wyatt Kurt. He's in from the start there. Touchdown. Hand off to John Middle. Up the middle for him. Good.
She my teacher? Not right now.
I want to see how strong this is.
And the Burring kick. Wyatt Kurt. Brings a few tackles. He got checks down. That's intercepted by number 4. David Price. Nice little. Jeff Valencia on the quarterback keeper for a touchdown, Cougars.
Hey, what did I tell you, bro? I called it from the beginning of the game. I called it.